how to convert an improper fraction to mixed fraction. And to do that, let's take an example. Let's say you have an improper fraction. Let's say it is 17 by 4. So since numerator is greater than denominator, therefore it is an improper fraction. To change it into a mixed fraction, what you have to do is divide 17 by 4. So this is 17 divided by 4, and this will be 4 times and 16. If you subtract it, then this will be 1, right? So when you divide 17 by 4, you get 4 as quotient, 1 as remainder, and therefore you'll write it as this quotient 4, this remainder. Let me take with colors. So if this is a quotient 4 and this is a remainder 1, so first write this quotient, that is 4, then this remainder, that is 1, and then this divisor, that is 4. So what would be the way? Quotient then remainder, and then divided by divisor. This will be the format to write any improper fraction into a mixed fraction. So going by this method, if you want to take a few more examples, let's take for 22 by 5. If you divide 22 by 5, then this will be 4 times, and here you will get 20. If you subtract it, and you'll get 2. You'll get 2. Okay. So what would be the mixed fraction of this improper fraction? This is a quotient 4, so 4. This is remainder 2, so 2, and then this is divisor 5, this is 5. Let's take one more. See, let's say it is 11 by 3. So if you divide 11 by 3, this will be 3 times, and this will give 9. If you subtract it, then this will be 2, right? So the mixed fraction of this improper fraction will be, you write 3 first, that is a quotient, then remainder 2, and then this divisor 3, right? So remember this format in which you have to write, because first you have to divide, then put the quotient first, then remainder divided by divisor. This will be the way to write it.